Hi and welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to guide you that how you can add payment method in Facebook. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. So the first thing you need to do is to open Facebook. Once you open Facebook, all you need to do is to tap on your profile at the right side of the screen. Once you tap on that, it will access to the menu. Once you access the menu, you need to scroll a bit where you will find settings and privacy, and under that you need to tap on settings. So once you tap on settings, you need to scroll down where you will find aids payment. You need to tap on that and it will bring you here. If you did not add any payment method before, you need to do is to tap on add payment. And the first thing that here you will see is business location and currency. So if it is not correct, you can change it by tap on edit, and from here you can choose the country or region, you can choose the currency, and you can choose the time zone as well. So once you choose all of them, all you need to do is to tap on next. And from the payment methods, there are a few available. You can use a debit card or credit card, which usually people do. You can add a PayPal or a K Plus QR code. You can also use a True Money. The K Plus and True Money is because I'm living in Thailand, so it's giving me this suggestion. It depends on your place of living. Maybe it is something else you will see here instead of these two. So once you choose the payment method, in this case I will choose a debit or credit card. All you need to do is to tap on next, and on this page you need to enter the name on the card first. Once you enter the name of the card, then the card number, month and year, the expiry date, and then you need to enter the 3-digit code at the back of the card. Once you enter all of those details, check it twice and then tap on save. Once you tap on save, that payment method will be added to your Facebook. So guys, this is how you can add payment method to Facebook. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.